Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad you're here because today we're going on another little adventure. I'm heading over to Delaware to pick up some woodworking equipment with my neighbor Tony. We're going to pick that up, put it on the trailer because it's pretty heavy stuff, and then when we get back I'm going to use the B2601 with the pallet forks to hopefully unload and be able to pull right into his shop. Stick around. You know, one thing I was taught years ago, and I kind of take for granted that everybody knows this, but maybe not, and that is that you should cross your chains when you hook up your safety chains. And that's the reason for that is that if you ever lose your hitch, if your ball pops off, basically you're creating kind of a cradle so that if the trailer drops down, those chains will catch it. So that's the theory behind that. Luckily, I've never had to test that theory. Ah, the saga of the tailgate. Remember that? Off we go. And there's Tony. There's Tony. There's Tony. So Tony, what are we going to pick up today?
We're picking up a 8-inch joiner, a flatbed joiner, and an 18-inch bandsaw, 3 horsepower bandsaw.
The challenge is going to be that this bandsaw is shipped vertically, right?
Yeah, it's in a large vertical crate.
So we're not able to lay it down. We have to stand it up.
Unfortunately, no.
And strap it down vertically. So a lot like a refrigerator, I guess.
Yeah.
So I've moved some refrigerators in the past.
A little more horsepower than my refrigerator, though, which I'm excited about.
Any idea what the weight of this equipment is?
Yeah, they're around between 550 and 600 pounds a piece. So there's about a half ton back there, a little more.
Well, we'll get it on, and then if we're successful going home, we'll probably get the forks on the tractor and pull them off. We should be good.
I hope so. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of manpower to try to get them off.
That too. All right, let's pull up.
Good stuff. It's called my cluttered garage. It's a Canon. Yeah, I put you just in front of the axle. I don't think you're gonna be able to get much further with that. That'll be your help. Wait, hold on. Oh. There you go. Okay. You're straight now. Okay, you should be able to get out from there. You and me are going to lift this out. Okay. Yeah, the other side first. There you go. I'm in. You're in. I like that. Yeah, I wish all the trailers came with that. That's sweet.
I think we're good. Don't be nervous, Tony. We'll get it home safely.
I hope so.
We made it. Well, I'm back home. Tony dropped me off at the house here. I'm going to get the tractor with the pallet forks and see if we can get this stuff off the trailer and into his shop. Enough to
Yeah, so the crate, we definitely have to put something under here.
Yeah, just like that, right?
Yeah, we could try that. That might work.
I'm gonna come forward though to close up this gap here, see?
Yep. And you're gonna have
get
to
this all the way up against there.
And you're gonna have to tip your forks up just a little bit at the front.
Okay. That might do it.
Right about there. You got it.
Let's undo the strap and then we can slide right out. If I just back out, you may be able to just hold on to the box to keep you from sliding. Or it may not. It may not even.
Sounds good.
On that end.
Is just over 85 inches.
That's good. We'll drag it back.
A little too much. Right there. That's it. You're on it.
That'll be just fine.
She's flat, right?
Yep.
Just hook it to itself.
There you go. Got a free hand here.
Got it. Thank you.
There you
Don't want to overdo it. Because the crate broke last time. That would come up forward a little bit, and then we'll bring it down as you get a little closer.
I would actually go up just a hair, this little apron here. All right, that should clear it. We'll see. I think that was successful. What do you think, Tony?
I totally agree. Thank you.
Hey, so we got this bandsaw, and what's this big piece now?
It's a jointer, an 8-inch jointer.
8-inch jointer. Neat. Well, let me tell you, Tony won't tell you this, but he is an artist and a master craftsman and woodworker, I think. I've been encouraging Tony to start a YouTube channel, so in the comments, give Tony a thumbs up and tell him to start a YouTube channel. What do you think?
Thank you.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't followed on YouTube yet, please follow along. Also on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok now. So, thanks, Tony.
You are the man.
Neighbor.
Thank you.
See you
Thank
around.
you, neighbor. See ya.
Look forward to seeing you next time.